A minimalist industrial-style kitchen is more than a design trend. It is a visual statement that blends raw authenticity with refined simplicity. This aesthetic takes cues from old factories and urban lofts, transforming them into sleek, organized, and purposeful kitchen spaces. By merging the clean lines of minimalism with the rugged textures of industrial design, homeowners can create a kitchen that feels modern, functional, and full of character. This video explores how to craft such a space, focusing on essential elements, material choices, color palettes, layout principles, and finishing touches that elevate the overall design. Understanding the minimalist industrial concept. Minimalism centers on simplicity, functionality, and the reduction of visual clutter. It emphasizes open spaces, neutral tones, and essential furnishings. Industrial design, on the other hand, celebrates exposed structural elements, raw materials, and a rugged, lived-in feel. When combined, these two styles create a kitchen that is both striking and intentional. In a minimalist industrial kitchen, every detail serves a purpose. Surfaces are clean and unobstructed, materials are strong yet understated, and the overall atmosphere showcases a balance of warmth and modern edge. The style is highly adaptable for homes, apartments, studio lofts, and open-plan living areas. Choosing the right materials. Materials are the backbone of an industrial-style kitchen. They define the space's personality and contribute to its durability. In a minimalist industrial kitchen, the focus is on raw, natural, and long-lasting materials that age gracefully. 1. Concrete. Concrete countertops, floors, or walls can instantly create an industrial feel. The material is sleek yet textured, giving the kitchen a modern but slightly rugged appearance. Polished concrete counters pair beautifully with minimalist cabinetry, adding sophistication without overwhelming the space. 2. Wood. Wood introduces warmth, balancing the cooler tones of metal and concrete. Opt for reclaimed or lightly stained wood for island tops, shelves, or cabinets. A matte finish works best to maintain the minimalist aesthetic. 3. Metal. Metal accents are essential in industrial design. Stainless steel appliances, black metal frames, brushed brass handles, and industrial-style light fixtures contribute to an urban, factory-inspired look. Black iron shelving or hanging rack systems can serve as both functional and decorative pieces. 4. Exposed brick. An exposed brick wall can instantly elevate an industrial design. If your space doesn't offer natural brick veneer panels, or textured tiles can mimic the effect while keeping the minimalist spirit intact. Color palette selection. Color plays a crucial role in creating harmony between minimalism and industrial style. The palette typically leans toward neutral and monochromatic tones. 1. Shades of gray. From light concrete gray to deep charcoal, this color family is a staple. It creates a calm yet modern backdrop. 2. Black and white. The combination of black and white enhances contrast and emphasizes clean lines. Black hardware or window frames paired with white walls or cabinets achieves a timeless industrial minimalism. 3. Natural wood tones. Warm wood accents keep the space from feeling too cold or rigid. These tones blend seamlessly with neutral walls and metal accents. 4. Earthy accents. Colors like muted brown, cream, or stone beige can soften the overall look without disrupting the minimalist design. Streamlined layout and functional zones. A minimalist industrial kitchen thrives on practicality. The layout must support efficient movement, easy access to essentials, and a visually open environment. 1. Open plan layout. Open layouts enhance the industrial feel, making the kitchen feel connected to the rest of the home. This approach works especially well in loft-style and compact spaces. 2. Simple, geometric lines. Cabinets and countertops should have clean, straight lines. Avoid overly decorative elements. Flat panel cabinetry, handleless drawers, and built-in appliances help maintain a seamless appearance. 3. Practical work triangle. The work triangle, connecting the refrigerator, sink, and stove, remains a core kitchen planning principle. Position these components to support ergonomic movement and reduce clutter. 4. Minimal upper cabinets. To sustain the open, airy look, consider eliminating some upper cabinets. Use open shelving with metal brackets or wooden planks to display essentials without overwhelming the space. Industrial-inspired furniture and fixtures. The furniture and fixtures you choose help define the character of the space. 1. Kitchen island with metal elements. An island featuring a wooden top and black metal frame is a strong centerpiece for a minimalist industrial kitchen. It provides additional workspace and storage while reinforcing the aesthetic. 2. Industrial stools. Choose stools made of metal, dark leather, or wood. Sleek designs with simple lines complement the minimalist aspect of the style. 3. Statement lighting. Industrial-style lighting is more than just illumination. It is a design feature. Pendant lamps with exposed bulbs, metal cages, or matte black finishes are ideal. For a minimalist twist, choose slim, linear hanging lights. 4. Stainless steel appliances. Stainless steel blends perfectly with industrial design. It is durable, reflective, and professional-looking, enhancing the clean and polished atmosphere. Texture and visual balance. One of the most appealing aspects of the minimalist industrial style is the interplay of textures. Combining smooth surfaces with rough finishes creates a visually stimulating yet balanced environment. 1. Contrast of materials. Pair concrete countertops with wooden shelves or metal accents with matte cabinet doors. The goal is harmony, not competition. 2. Subtle patterns. Avoid bold or busy patterns. Choose simple, understated textures such as brushed metal, light grain wood, or soft matte finishes. 3. Controlled decor. Minimalist industrial kitchens thrive on restraint. Use only a few decorative elements such as a potted plant, ceramic vase, or a simple wall clock to preserve the clean aesthetic. Smart storage solutions. Even in a minimalist kitchen, storage is essential. The challenge is to conceal clutter without compromising the industrial appeal. 1. Built-in cabinets. Use built-in cabinets with a matte finish and handleless design to maintain visual simplicity. 2. Open shelving. Open shelves allow easy access to frequently used items and create a functional display. Keep them tidy and limit the number of items to avoid visual clutter. 3. Metal storage racks. Metal rails, hooks, and racks add an industrial feel while offering practical storage options for utensils and cookware. 4. Organized drawers. Invest in drawer organizers for cutlery, spices, and tools to ensure everything has its place and remains hidden from view.